As calls continue to go out to young Nigerians who are technocrats and working as public servants across the country to come out and contest for elective position in order to change the fortune of Nigeria, one major hurdle to realizing this clarion call is Nigeria's constitutional provision that bars civil servants from returning to their duty if they contest and fail in any election. Reacting to the issue, Barrister Paraboma Igombo cited the constitutional provision and its limitations.
Nigeria constitutionally provided, and of course the Electoral Act that has been recently amended, for a public servant to hold an elective office, you have to, first of all, the position was that you have to resign for at least 3 months preceding the date of the conduct of the election. Now, by virtue of the Electoral Act as amended, the provision is now canvassed, is now 30 days, which is 1 month, for which there's a Federal High Court order insisting that it should be 30 days as against the 90 days, which the Attorney General of the Federation is proposing to amend.
He explained the challenges of the provision.
So maybe civil servants, the hue and cry is that why limit them? Why ask them to resign? Then if they go and they are unsuccessful, they cannot return. Whereas everyone else can, especially for private business owners, you can come back and go back and resign. So 3 months before then you resign. But looking at it with today's reality, the contention is, does this not amount to ousting or denying maybe civil servants that are interested in resolving political issues one way or the other the opportunity of doing so? I think it does. For those who are holding elective offices, of course, you can still stay in the office and rerun for another term. But if you're not holding an elective office, whether it is appointed or you're a civil servant, the question is that you have to resign. Now, when you have resigned, do you have a chance of returning in the event that you did not clinch the ticket? That is a multi-billion naira question that desires answers.
Barrister Igombo further shed more light on how it has affected public servants who may be interested in vying for political positions.
Well,
from the public.
Anything that deprives anybody to politically participate is not healthy, because you wouldn't know who has the bulk of knowledge in resolving the issues that are on ground. And as at today, it's not even a function of age anymore. Young people are doing well as much as old people. They are all doing well. So we correct whatever shortfall there is. Before now, it is 3 months. Now, it is now 1 month. It's possible that the time will come when they will say, all these restrictions should no longer be there. But pending when that happens, we have to abide by the current provisions of the law. However, we should not stop those that think that this process is not favorable to them from pushing. The more you keep this discourse in the public space, the more you talk about it, the more you convince people, the more people begin to see ideas beyond the ordinary. Of course, we want the country or the nation to be better.
On what can be done to remedy the situation, Barrister Igombo advised Nigerians to continue to push for the abolition of the line in the Constitution. Joy Ifidi Oka, reporting for NDTV News.